friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me Ashita from my channel Ashita the Lated. Friends, as usual today also in this video I gonna review a product. So guys, if you're interested in this video you can proceed further, and if you're new to my channel please do subscribe me. Then without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So guys, here is my package, and here you can see it is given as live show, interview, vlog, short video. And if I open the box you can see the microphone, and in the box you'll get one microphone transmitter, one receiver, and one charging cable and a user manual. This is a wireless microphone. Just you need to connect with the receiver and just you need to on, that's it, then you can talk. Product is of good quality and even the packaging of the product is well done. So if I open this you'll get an user manual, and later in the box you can see the charging cable. It's very simple to use, just you need to plug and play. You'll get a precise radio and with a clear timbre, and which is highly sensitive, and it is widely compactable up to 20 meters. Before I used to have a wire microphone where I used to place it on my Android cell phone and I used to make videos, but since I switched to iPhone I bought this for that purpose. If I open the box you can see it is for mic, and this is a USB cable where you can charge. Now here I am using this mic. Here it is indicated with a green color. It indicates that it is charged. And here if I want to say about the specification, you can do as a live show, you can give an interview, because it is a wireless. Just no Bluetooth connection, nothing guys, just you need to plug to your charging port and just you need to put here, that's it. No Bluetooth, nothing, only you need to on here, that's it. And you can give a live interview, you can give a vlog or a short videos. This is wireless and this is specially for the iPhone. So coming to the price, I got this product for only 300 rand in techalot.com. I was searching for the iPhone mic or speaker and I got this, and this was wireless. I'm so happy with that. So the reviews was also good, so I took this and I've been using this from past 3 months and it is working fine. The next part, whether it's worth to buy or not, according to me it's definitely worth to buy, because I love this. I can use anywhere because it is wireless and you can talk up to 20 meters, so that is the best part. And I literally love this mic guys. And the charging thing, just you need to charge only for 10 minutes, that's it, and the charge will remain almost 2 days, and that is the best part too. Instead of buying that wire mic and keeping my cell and going somewhere else, you can buy this wireless and you can talk up to 20 meters. And this is only for iPhone users guys, not for Android. For Android there will be a different microphone, you can go and check it out that. But for me this was good, and I thought let me review this because the product is good. And guys, if you wish to buy this product, the product link will be on my description. You can go and check it out once. And that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.